Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer freelance invoices with Payoneer to US accounts, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer freelance invoices using Payoneer to US accounts, begin by logging into your Payoneer account. Navigate to the Activity tab on your dashboard. Select Receipts to view all your incoming payments and invoices. Identify the specific invoice you wish to transfer. Ensure that the payment for that invoice has cleared and is available in your Payoneer balance. Once verified, click on the invoice to open its details. Look for the option labeled Withdraw or Transfer Funds. Select your US bank account from the list of withdrawal options. If you haven't linked your US bank account yet, go to the Settings tab. Choose Bank Accounts and then click on Add Bank Account. Fill in the necessary information, including your account number, routing number, and account type. After adding your bank account, return to your invoice details. Click on the Withdraw option once more. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Review the transfer details for accuracy. Confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer. You will receive a confirmation notification once the transfer has been successfully initiated. Typically, it takes a few business days for the funds to appear in your US bank account. Keep track of your transfer status in the Activity tab to ensure everything is processed smoothly. This process allows you to efficiently manage your freelance earnings directly to your US bank account with Payoneer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.